My people, every day bad story. The death rate wey we dey even get sef for Nigeria now, e don dey too much. Every day person dey die, person dey die. With how many people can't even dey live sef for this Nigeria now? Because e be like say people don finish for this country o. Today's story na about one woman. They say she dey mentally challenged. Na wetin dey talk o. They say she dey mentally challenged. So people now for the area come talk say that they see this woman with pikin and AK-47 rifle. Where this woman for see this kind thing? We sef suppose ask, because now una talk say she dey mad, she dey mentally challenged. How she can't take carry pikin, carry rifle, gun sef, attach for body? We sef know say some of all these mad people, they no too mad like that. They know wetin that they do. During election period, they go come outside like say that they mad. They just dey use am dey investigate. But I'm not sure say for this woman case, now wetin they do this woman o? Because we hear say this woman don dey live for that place for 7 years now. Person no fit dey disguise saying they mad for 7 years o. Because I no know wetin you wan gain. Say you just sit down there, you no go eat better food, your hair don spoil, everything just dirty for 7 years. Wetin you dey gain? People talk say this woman, they see her for Abule Ado under Festac Bridge. All of us know that bridge. Say na there this woman dey sit down o. People come dey suspect. Now nobody see her o. They just dey suspect say this woman don go kidnap person pikin, and they see her with 3 AK-47. No be 1, no be 2, 3. Where she dey hide and put? Person wey dey sleep on top of dustbin, inside bush, dirty place. If gun dey there, na no go don see am. If pikin dey there, na no go dey hear the pikin wey dey cry. Una go just dey give laws unjustly. Una just dey decide say okay, this woman don do something. Na im dey carry tire burn this woman. Person wey don dey mad on her own, her madness sef na problem for her. Una come add to her problem. They come carry her, boys for the area come burn her, say she don thief person pikin, she don thief, she carry gun. Say she dey rent gun out for people. Una see her? Now police dey talk say this man wey dey call Olumuyiwa Adejobi, say this woman, he don do investigation. They no see pikin for there. They no even see any gun for there. In fact, they no see anything apart from dirty, nylon, all those things wey mad people dey always carry up and down. Say na wetin they see o. And these people now wey kill this woman, they go find investigation. They go do their investigation well. Go find this person. Because all these people now wey kill this thing now don turn to murder case. This one now no be say they just see the woman do this thing and they kill am. Una don kill innocent person. Person dey on her own, dey mad. On herself, as madness dey worry una come decide say na wan come kill person. In fact, everybody no dey okay for this Nigeria. We need therapy. Because the kind things wey we dey see for this Nigeria, e don even reach make all of us sef go sit down do our own therapy. We dey sick for this country. How una go just put laws for una own hand? When government don talk say make una no dey do jungle justice again. Make una no dey put, if una see something, report to the police, report to the army. Make una no just decide say okay, this person don do me this thing, make her kill am, make her chook am. If you do am finish, wetin you wan gain? Now you go last go prison. Now all these people now wey kill this woman, they find them. They need to even find them, because this way they do, e no good. If say this person and their family now, they go just agree, say okay, make we kill this person. Now because probably this mad woman herself, she don't walk out from far place, she no get anybody for there. Now make they just leave her for there. Make her come even ask our government. All these mad people wey dey road, wetin be on a plan for them? If say no be say they kill this woman now, una go even remember sef say person dey mad for that place. Una no go remember now, una don't forget her. But if say una put things in place, say okay, oh, people wey dey mad, we get house for them, we get something for them. Una go don even settle all this matter, so that we go know people wey dey mad, then we go know people wey be kidnappers, we go know people wey be killers, we go know all these people. But una just leave them. As this woman die now, una don dey bring glass, and I wan go catch the person. And how this one will even take happen? When people wey be military people sef, una dey kill person on una own. Military man, army man, you kill person. Police, they kill person. Wetin I expect make citizens come dey do? Dem sef go kill person now, as una no dey obey the law. Who una come dey drop law for? Who wan obey am? Nobody go obey that kind law, because una wey be government sef, una no dey even do am. Politician go send person make e go kill person. If they no catch am, case close. If they catch am, e go pay, disappear. Who una come dey deceive for this country? Who we dey deceive? Now ourselves we dey deceive now. Because all this one wey they do say they go catch those people, and I no even fit catch them, because I no even know the people sef wey even kill these people. And we even know police matter. If they go report this thing now, nothing go even happen. This woman own don't go like that. But it dey vex me, because they just kill this woman. They just kill her for nothing. Because the thing wey they even talk say they see for her possession, they no even see am. Hey, make we dey get mind, make we dey pity people. Person wey dey mad, you no even pity yourself. Say, this woman don get her own sickness, so you can't add death to her problem. Why we no dey pity people like? Why we wicked like this? Now wow, now here I go drop this matter for now. Make una self comment. If una even know this person, make una self talk. Some people, mad people there for their area. They no even they really mad. Make una write them down. Make them fish them out. Make we know the real mad people. Make we know people will be kidnappers. Make una not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. As we get better story for now. I go to see you for our next story. Chai, I pity this woman. Oh, things just they occur left, right, and center. Woman will be say she just dey find means on how to survive. Somebody can't carry her carton of fish. You no even see things thief. You know go people wey get money their house go thief carton of fish. I know say it's small for our eye. All of us they look and say, wetin be carton of fish? We fit buy am now. But this thing na person means of survival. If you see as this woman dey cry because of this carton of fish wey she dey take do business. Make her even give na the gist sef. The woman go buy carton of fish say she won't come sell. Oh, we know as all these people they do fish, they fry for main road. Say make they use they do their business so that they no go the hungry no go catch them for house. So now she come out say make she go buy firewood. Come before she go come, fish don't disappear. Oh, fish don't vanish. Now she go dey cry. Where her fish? Why no be say fish na needle? How come a whole carton don't disappear? Now somebody they talk say they see somebody on top of Okada carry the fish. But as you self mumu rich, you see person with Okada carry fish, and you know say na this woman and they sell fish for there. Why you no stop and say, bros, this fish now you get them? Abi wetin you dey do with the fish? But as Nigerians, as we foolish rich, now so we dey kill ourselves. Person go dey die, and I go dey do like saying I don't know the person now. Wetin concern me? And I go leave the person, make the person go. Now the case now be this one now. This woman fish now, you don't go. You can't they do, I see the woman, I see the person we carry. What in your see do? You know help am now. Now for no even not even for any better reason. Now for rubbish reason now. Now with the talk say the Benue state governor now don't find way to support this woman. Because he don't see and say this woman really cry about this fish matter. This kind of person now, maybe she no get husband, no, she be widow, she no get anything, nobody they help her. Family no they help her, nothing, nobody they help her. And she just decides, okay, make her they do this fish business to run myself, to grow my children, to take care of everybody. You can't get mind. You don't even pity person, mama. If now your mama they can't thief like this, you go happy. If now your mama they go do something like this, I be they put gun for her head, say, okay, mama, drop money where you get. Now you go see they swear for the person, say, thunder go fire that thief, thunder go do this one. But now you feel do one for person, mama, and you never even look back, you never even close eye. But we hear say people don't they contribute to. If you go on Twitter now, Instagram, people don't they gather money for her because they really feel this woman pain. And we even hear self say Dynamics pastor self don't raise money for her, say make she use and take grow her business. Because he even feel say this fish business self too small for this kind of mama. Don't give her money, say mama take. But wetin come vex me about this whole support wey they do now. If you see as this person mama come kneel down on top how much? Because if you look and say, if you go no say no be any kind better money now they give her. This woman come kneel down. At least yes, she did grateful. She kneel down. But una no suppose post am say this woman kneel down for ground, sleep for ground, they thank corner. Why una no post the part where be say probably she dey shake corner say thank you? Una come put person wey even reach fit born you. Come put her for ground, make she kneel down and sleep. Say you dey pity her. I pity her, but the way when I take drum, no be everything self suppose they even come online. The way this woman kneel down, sleep for ground, I no like him. He no sweet me at all. Because just like saying that they disgrace person, mama. Fine, some disgrace they turn into blessings, oh. Because this one, now, some people feel even still help her, grow her shop and all of that. But this one where she kneel down like this, she no even supposed to do one. Because this woman don't old. This woman don't grow. Na person, mama. If you see your mama, they kneel down. Say, mama kneel down, you go like him. You no go like him now. So why they do am for person, mama? But for my own opinion, no, let people try support this woman. And this person will thief this thing. At least some people go see him around. No be today they do am. They do am since. May they try catch this person. because for you to carry a whole carton of fish, e mean say you get mind, and you know say this woman na so she dey buy this fish, drop am for there, comot. Na person wey know her before na im go fit do this kind thing. Person wey no know her no fit know say mama dey buy fish, drop fish, carton of fish for here, go buy this one. Na person wey don see am na im go fit do this kind thing. So all of una, as una see this matter like this, make una sef comment wetin una think. As this woman kneel down, una like am? E sweet una? And if una wan support this woman sef, means dey wey una go take support her. People dey support her on Twitter. If una wan reach am, make una go on Twitter, and I go see things for there on how to support this woman. Now here I go leave una. Make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, as I go dey see una for our next story.